Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all you Canon enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of Canon events, where camera lovers come together to celebrate their passion for photography and videography. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Before we jump into the details of Canon events, let's take a quick look at why they are so popular among photographers and videographers. Canon events provide a unique opportunity for enthusiasts to connect, learn, and showcase their skills. It's a chance to be part of a vibrant community that shares a common interest in Canon cameras and accessories. Now, let's explore some of the most renowned Canon events that take place throughout the year. Canon EXPO. 1. Every few years, Canon hosts the Canon EXPO, a spectacular showcase of their latest technologies and innovations. 1. It's a grand event where visitors get a chance to experience firsthand the cutting-edge cameras, lenses, printers, and other imaging solutions Canon has to offer. 1. The Canon EXPO is not only a place to witness new advancements but also an opportunity to interact with industry professionals and gain insights into the future of imaging. Canon Live Learning. 1. Canon Live Learning events are focused on education and improving your photography and videography skills. 1. These workshops and seminars are conducted by expert photographers who share their knowledge, tips, and tricks. 1. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your skills or a seasoned professional seeking inspiration, Canon Live Learning events provide valuable insights and hands-on experiences. Canon PhotoMarathon. 1. The Canon PhotoMarathon is an exciting photography competition that tests participants' creativity, skills, and ability to think on their feet. 1. It's a day-long event filled with challenges, themes, and surprises. 1. Participants are given a series of tasks, and they have to capture the best shots within a limited time frame. 1. The Canon PhotoMarathon is not just about winning, it's an opportunity to push your limits and create stunning images while having fun. Canon Imaging Festivals. 1. Canon Imaging Festivals are regional events that celebrate the art of photography and videography. 1. These festivals feature exhibitions, interactive booths, and expert-led talks. 1. Visitors can explore different genres of photography, learn from professionals, and even have their equipment checked and serviced by Canon experts. 1. The Canon Imaging Festivals create an atmosphere of creativity and camaraderie, where attendees can connect with fellow enthusiasts and share their passion. Attending Canon events can be a transformative experience for any photography or videography enthusiast. It's a chance to expand your knowledge, discover new techniques, and network with like-minded individuals. Whether you're an amateur or a professional, these events offer something for everyone. So, there you have it, folks. Canon events are not only about cameras and lenses, they're about building a community and celebrating the art of visual storytelling. If you're passionate about photography or videography, attending a Canon event should be on your bucket list. Make sure to keep an eye out for upcoming events in your area, and don't miss out on the opportunity to immerse yourself in the world of Canon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've ever been to a Canon event and what your experience was like. Until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments. Happy shooting!